Yes, I took it out. Because I took this door switch out, I saw in a brand new, or at the time anyway, Rav4 2024, I saw that. Now that made me wonder, this panel must pop off. And so it does. And we are going to show you how to remove this door panel. Because I saw this red clip, I said, this must be how you remove the door panel. Because that little screw was screwed into the door. See? I barely didn't even need tools. I just got my finger back behind here and started to work my way around, pulling it out. Now, I already took it out, so that's why it seems so much easier. But this does go in this way. So the whole panel comes out. And at the last very bit, they want to trick us and say, hey, push backwards. How nice. So, with the AC blasting, because it's, I gotta tell you, there it is, 99 degrees out. See that? It's almost 100 degrees and I'm working outside on a Sunday. Because that's what I do. So, let's put this up in the dash, because we are going to take our drill, which is on the floor right here, and start taking things apart. Now, I'm going to put you down. Because I had to grab this. Now, with the heat blasting, the AC blasting, let's pull this guy out as well, because we want to take this guy out. I bet you there's screws under here. So let's do just that. With both hands, by the way, because this is kind of tough. See? I didn't want to slip, so I wanted to get a good firm grip on it, because you will scratch something, break something, especially with a hook tool like that. Now, can you hear the wind? Oh, so nice. AC is so great. Now, one screw, it's what we saw in there. Two screws, now we see another one. And is there another one? I don't see another one. Let's get these guys out, and this one, and see if this is how you pop the door off. I don't see anything else, feel anything else. Ooh, I feel a handle right here, a little indent. Yes. All right, let's get these guys out, and I'll show you what's going on. Some clips came, some clips stayed. So we gotta get them out. That one. And that one on the floor. And unplug these two. This guy right here, this little nub, has to sit in this little nub area. So since it's so hot out, nope, let's save me anymore. Plastics are easy. Spread these guys open, and this will pop right out of this little socket. See that? So it sits in there. Kind of easy. And these just hang. So, since it's 99 degrees outside, can you see that? I'll show you again. Can you see that? 99 degrees outside. I took off the mirror. And what I saw was, so you think this little nub right here looks like a backward D, and this one that looks like a D, because I am a D, is a tab right there. Okay, now since it was so hot, I was able to pull the center out, and it actually bent itself just like this and popped out. But now that you know where these tabs are, just put a pick in there. You see, it doesn't line up perfectly, by the way. See that? Because if you want to use this as a guide, as a reference, that is not true. It's close, definitely really close, but it's more underneath this guy. Let's see on this side. Yep, it's not on point. It's close. I would go to the end of it, and that's where the tab is. So, wasting time. Take the screw out. I know you saw the screw. Now, let's take the mirror off, because we got 10 mils, I'm sure. Well, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 14, 10 mils. No, pay attention, I was just joking. So all 42 10 mils removed, loosened, the mirror's about to fall out. But it does have a little thing right here, a little tab that helps you. I'll show you when I pull it out. But I only cracked it with the long one. Let me go get my magnetic one, and so I can get it out without falling into the door. So with my magnetic bit, I took them out without losing them in the door. But if you'd like to, use your hands and don't drop them, because you're gonna have to cut that rivet out or pop this out and reach your hand back in there and try to get it out. So do your best and not lose these, or drop them. Drop one, 2 you can put back. 3, yeah, you're screwed. Unplug this, and I'm gonna take this guy out of the door and make sure it's the right one. Yes, it is right. Now put it back. All 3 10 mils are back. Wire with the up arrow. I'm gonna say sayonara, or see you later, or on to the next video, or thanks for watching, or like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.